We all love the feeling of a flawless makeup application. But did you know that the key to achieving that perfect look goes beyond just using the right products? It starts with clean makeup brushes. Regularly cleaning your brushes is essential for maintaining both skin health and achieving a flawless makeup application. Think of your brushes as an investment in your beauty routine. By taking care of them, you're ensuring that they last longer and continue to deliver amazing results. Clean brushes not only enhance your makeup game, but also contribute to a much healthier skin. In the following sections, we'll delve deeper into why this is so important and explore the best practices for keeping your brushes in tip-top shape. Get ready to unlock the secrets to a cleaner, healthier, and more beautiful you. Imagine this. You dip your brush into that gorgeous eyeshadow palette you love. But here's the catch. Your brush isn't clean. It's carrying remnants of yesterday's makeup, along with oils and dead skin cells. Each time you use a dirty brush, you're reintroducing these unwanted elements onto your skin. Unclean brushes can become a breeding ground for bacteria, harboring germs that can lead to breakouts, irritation, and even infections. The accumulation of product, oil, and bacteria creates a perfect storm for skin issues. Using dirty makeup brushes is like using a dirty sponge to wash your dishes. You wouldn't even think of it. The consequences of using dirty brushes go beyond just transferring bacteria. The buildup on your brushes can mix with your makeup, affecting its texture and color payoff. This can lead to a cakey finish, uneven application, and even breakouts. Clean brushes, on the other hand, glide smoothly over your skin, picking up the right amount of product and blending it seamlessly for a flawless finish. They help your makeup look fresh and vibrant, enhancing your natural beauty instead of hindering it. The frequency of cleaning depends on how often you use your brushes and what type of makeup you use. As a general rule, foundation and concealer brushes. These brushes come into contact with liquids and tend to harbor more bacteria. It's best to clean them at least once a week. Powder brushes. Brushes used for powder products like blush, bronzer, and setting powder can be cleaned once every 2 weeks. Eyeshadow brushes. To avoid eye infections and ensure color payoff, it's crucial to clean your eyeshadow brushes after each use, especially if you use multiple colors. Remember, these are just general guidelines. You may need to clean your brushes more or less often depending on your skin type and makeup habits. Section 5. A step-by-step guide to pristine makeup brushes. Cleaning your makeup brushes doesn't have to be a chore. In fact, with the right approach, it can be a quick and satisfying task that ensures your brushes stay in top condition and your skin remains healthy. Dirty brushes can harbor bacteria, which can lead to breakouts and other skin issues. So, let's dive into a simple and effective method to get your brushes squeaky clean. First, rinse. This initial step is crucial to remove any surface makeup and debris. Hold your brush under lukewarm running water, angling it downwards to avoid getting water into the ferrule, which is the metal part that connects the bristles to the handle. This helps prevent the glue from loosening and the bristles from shedding. Make sure the water is not too hot, as high temperatures can damage the bristles and affect their performance. Lukewarm water is gentle enough to clean effectively without causing harm. Next, lather. Dispense a gentle shampoo or brush cleanser into the palm of your hand or a brush cleaning mat. It's important to use a cleanser that is specifically designed for makeup brushes or a mild baby shampoo, as harsh detergents can strip the bristles of their natural oils and make them brittle. Swirl the brush gently in the cleanser, working up a lather and ensuring all the bristles are coated. Take your time with this step to make sure the cleanser penetrates deep into the bristles, breaking down all the makeup residue and oils. Then rinse again. Rinse the brush thoroughly under lukewarm water until the water runs clear and all traces of soap are gone. This step is essential to ensure that no cleanser residue is left behind, which could irritate your skin the next time you use the brush. Be patient and gentle during this process, as vigorous rinsing can damage the bristles and affect the shape of the brush. After that, squeeze out excess water. Gently squeeze the bristles with your fingers or a clean towel to remove excess water. Avoid pulling or tugging on the bristles, as this can damage them and shorten the lifespan of your brush. It's important to be gentle to maintain the integrity of the bristles and ensure they stay soft and effective for makeup application. Finally, reshape. Reshape the brush head and lay it flat on a clean towel to dry. Make sure the brushes are laid flat to prevent water from seeping into the ferrule, which can cause the glue to weaken and the bristles to fall out. Allow the brushes to dry completely before using them again. This can take several hours or overnight, depending on the size and density of the brush. Proper drying is crucial to maintain the shape and performance of your brushes. And there you have it, a simple yet effective method to keep your makeup brushes pristine and ready for flawless application every time. Section 6. Drying and storing your brushes. The keys to longevity. Proper drying and storage are just as important as the cleaning process itself. In fact, how you dry and store your brushes can significantly impact their longevity and performance. Neglecting these steps can lead to damaged bristles, mold growth, and even bacterial contamination, which can affect your skin health. Here's how to ensure your brushes dry completely and stay hygienic. First, after washing your brushes, gently squeeze out the excess water with a clean towel. Be careful not to tug on the bristles too hard, as this can cause them to shed or lose their shape. Air drying your brushes is the best way to preserve their shape and prevent mold or mildew growth. Lay them flat on a clean towel in a well-ventilated area. Make sure the bristles are not touching each other to allow for proper air circulation. Lay them flat on a clean towel with the bristles hanging slightly over the edge of a counter. This allows air to circulate around the bristles, speeding up the drying process and ensuring they dry evenly. Avoid drying them upright in a cup, as this can cause water to seep into the ferrule, weakening the glue and shortening the lifespan of your brushes. The ferrule is the metal part that holds the bristles together, and water damage here can lead to loose bristles and a less effective brush. Storing. Once your brushes are completely dry, store them in a clean, dry place. This is crucial to prevent dust and bacteria from settling on the bristles. A clean storage environment will keep your brushes ready for use and extend their lifespan. You can use a brush cup, drawer organizer, or even a repurposed candle jar to keep your brushes organized and dust-free. Make sure the storage container is clean and dry before placing your brushes inside. Regularly clean the storage container to maintain a hygienic environment. By following these drying and storage tips, you'll help your brushes maintain their shape, prevent bacteria growth, and last for years to come. Remember, taking good care of your brushes not only ensures they perform well, but also protects your skin from potential irritations and breakouts. Investing a little time in proper maintenance can save you money in the long run by reducing the need to replace your brushes frequently. Section 7. Quick cleaning hacks for the busy makeup lover. Life gets busy, and sometimes you don't have time for a full brush cleaning session. Whether you're a professional makeup artist or just someone who loves experimenting with different looks, keeping your brushes clean is essential. But let's face it, deep cleaning your brushes can be time-consuming and often gets pushed to the bottom of your to-do list. Don't worry, we've got you covered. With these quick and efficient cleaning hacks, you can ensure your brushes are always in top condition without spending too much time. Here are some quick cleaning hacks for those days when you're short on time. Brush cleaning sprays. These sprays are designed to make your life easier. They are formulated to break down makeup residue and sanitize your brushes in just a few seconds. Brush cleaning sprays are a lifesaver for quick cleanups between washes. They are perfect for those moments when you need to switch colors quickly or when you realize your favorite brush is too dirty to use. Simply spritz the spray onto the bristles and wipe them on a clean tissue until no residue remains. This method is not only quick, but also ensures that your brushes are ready for immediate use. Micellar water. Micellar water isn't just for removing makeup from your face. It can also be used to cleanse your brushes in a pinch. This versatile product is gentle yet effective, making it a great option for quick brush cleanups. Saturate a cotton pad with micellar water and swirl your brush on it until the makeup is gone. This method is particularly useful for eye brushes, which need to be cleaned more frequently to avoid eye infections and ensure precise application. These quick cleaning methods are perfect for sanitizing your brushes between washes and are especially handy for cleaning eye brushes regularly. By incorporating these hacks into your routine, you can maintain the hygiene and performance of your brushes without dedicating a lot of time to it. So, the next time you're in a rush but need clean brushes, remember these tips and keep your makeup game strong. Section 8. The transformative power of clean brushes. A recap. We've covered a lot of ground, so let's recap the key takeaways. Clean makeup brushes are essential for both skin health and flawless makeup application. Dirty brushes can harbor bacteria, leading to breakouts, irritation, and infections. Clean brushes apply makeup more evenly and blend seamlessly, enhancing your natural beauty. Regularly cleaning your brushes extends their lifespan and ensures they perform at their best. Incorporating regular brush cleaning into your routine is a small change that can make a world of difference. Section 9. Embrace the clean brush routine. Ready to elevate your makeup game and achieve the flawless skin you deserve? Start by giving your makeup brushes the TLC they deserve. Make it a habit to clean your brushes regularly and enjoy the benefits of a cleaner, healthier, and more beautiful you. Remember, investing in clean brushes is investing in yourself.